Leaking chimney. Here's how we're going to fix it today. Today we are going to grind the chimney to get all that loose debris off. Then we're going to mix our chemicals together. We're going to spread a thin layer out. I'm just covering all the surfaces. Ooh! I think this is a great way to get this brick to stop leaking because it's leaking underneath the flat roof, but it's coming from the brick. So yeah, I think this is a great option. Some would say cha-cha real smooth. Looks pretty good. Now it's time to clean up that plastic. Alrighty, looking nice. Just like that, boys. Anyway, so this is a job we did about 1.5 years ago, and I think it came out really nice. I think this TPO looks really nice and flat, and I'm loving it. Okay, boys. I'll see you boys tomorrow.